You made your coach very happy. But before your coach, Coach Bamboo muna, ano masasabi mo sa performance?
Hey, Angel. Good job. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that.
What, you're speechless? You're speechless? This is a first.
Yes, a little critique, maybe on the refrain, we felt a little too low, but then it really didn't matter because overall, it was a good performance. So, maraming salamat. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, Coach. At ang sobrang pinasaya mo, Coach?
Talagang ang galing mong magtuhog ng puso at saka pagkanta. Parang kinakalimutan mo na lang yung bundok. Basta kumakanta ka lang. And I'm excited because this is the best I've ever heard you sing.
Thank you po.
Really, that was beautiful.
Maraming salamat, Coach. Thank you very much, Angel. See you later on.